If you are an investor or buyer who wants to get residence permit or Turkish citizenship, this video is for you. I have 6+1 apartment in luxurious location of Alanya with amazing concept. Let's go and see this apartment together. Hello everyone from beautiful Alanya. I am Masiada, your real estate and investment expert, over 10 years of experience. Over the years, I help clients from all over the world who find their dream property in Alanya, selling more than 120 apartments, villa, office, and shop to happy buyers who choose Alanya as their second home. Today, I am excited to give you a tour of this amazing property. Let's go and check it out. Amazing luxury concept is located in Çıplaklı region of Alanya. This project is designed for comfort, modern living, and smart investment. It's located just 7 kilometers from Alanya center, about 3 kilometers from Ova Beach, and only 35 kilometers to Gazi Pasha International Airport. The school, government hospital, and local markets are all around within 1 kilometer, so you could have everything you need right around. This project is built on land of 7,600 square meters and includes 4 blocks with only 72 exclusive apartments, giving you a real sense of privacy and space. And of course, it comes with full range of social infrastructure and amenities. Everything is modern, comfort, and make daily life more enjoyable. Stay tuned because in this video we will walk out through project together and explore all the details and especially this investment opportunity in Alanya. Let's get started. Welcome to our this duplex apartment, which is 6+1 and 6 bedroom with separate kitchen and big living room. So you can come inside. From our entrance left side we have our bathroom. So this is our bathroom over here, and after that we have our first bedroom with attached bathroom. So this is the bathroom, and this is our first bedroom in ground floor, and after that we have our stairs, kitchen, and we have separate kitchen. Everything is ready, good and perfect. And after that, this is our second bedroom, where you have access to beautiful balcony. From balcony you have beautiful green area and mountain view. And after here we have our living room. This is our living room, and this is 55 square meter of living room, where you have amazing view from your balcony. Sea and also green area view, swimming pool. So that's amazing. So right now we will go in our second floor. Let's go together. our second floor where we have 4 bedrooms. So we can start with first bedroom. This bedroom has also beautiful balcony and also attached bathroom. So you can see it's beautiful bathroom over there. And in right side we have our storage area for putting clothes and machine and laundry. And right side we have our bathroom. This is for children's and everyone can use it. And after here, this is our second bedroom. So it could be a study room, it could be children's playing area or something like this. And after here we have our third bedroom in second floor. So you can see it has beautiful nature view, green area, and also quite big balcony over there. So now we are going to parents room. So in parents room or master bedroom, in right side we have our bathroom. This is our bathroom, and left side we have clothing area. So here you can make wardrobe and all that for clothes. And this is our bedroom, and from bedroom we have also big balcony, so you can check out the balcony. Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video with me. I really appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this property tour, like, comment and subscribe to my channel to get amazing properties from Alanya. See you on next video with new opportunities from Alanya, where we will explore what you can get in 70,000 euro in Alanya.